Welcome back, folks. In this video, I want to share with you how I made just a bit over $9,400 yesterday in one single trade in the New York session, doing one simple thing that, quite frankly, any of you who watch this video can copy so that you can achieve that for yourself. And in this video, I'm literally going to give you the step-by-step strategy behind exactly how I did it so that you can copy me and do the exact same thing. And if you do copy me and the steps that I outline in this video that I'm going to share with you, and you take action, then you are going to get the reaction. And that reaction is going to be making a fairly large amount of money in quite a short space of time, okay? Now, for those of you who follow me on YouTube, you know that I have been bullish on gold. And we can see on this chart, if we just go back, okay, looking at all the different days of this week, we've just been moving up, right? And so when we're moving up like this, the market's bullish, right? You can very clearly see that we've just been moving up. Just on Thursday, we've been moving up. And so when I see the market on Friday, okay, so this is Friday's price action, okay. Now, before I talk a little bit more, when I watch other YouTube videos, sometimes I'll watch other YouTubers in the Forex market, and they'll also be showing the money, just like I'm showing you the live screen recording from my iPhone. They'll say, don't focus on the money. But I'm telling you, focus on the money, because that's what it's about, right? We're doing this to be able to make money, right? So yes, focus on the money, folks, because that is real. That's what this is all about. Okay, what I'm teaching you is going to help you make that kind of money. Now, that's not a guarantee, okay, but I'm showing you what the potential is. And I have students who are also able to replicate exactly what I'm teaching you here in this video, okay? So yes, focus on the money and focus on the lesson, okay? So here on Friday, okay, we're going to talk about this New York session because that's what I traded. But when I see the market going down, okay, and all week we've been going up, right? Now on Friday, there's been no news release. So why is the market going down? What is this movement on Friday? This movement, which started Thursday, by the way, down 200 pips. Why is the market moving down? There's no news announcement on the day, right? So I see all of that as manipulation, okay? Now, I've said this previously, the best time, we're going to focus on Friday, New York, okay? The best time to trade gold is in the New York session, okay? What time in the New York session? 9:30 a.m. is the time the New York equities market opens, right? It's the best time to trade any market, right? That is US dollar related. Gold is US dollar related. Gold is a market that predominantly moves in the New York session. Now, that doesn't mean it doesn't move in other sessions. It does move in Asia. It does move in London. But the best time is to trade the New York session when you're talking about gold. Okay? That's from my experience. Okay? And I've been doing this for a long time. And you can go and look at all of my YouTube videos, all of my Twitter posts, where I journal all my trades, and you'll see how long I've been doing this. Okay? Now, the market's going down. All I'm looking for is what is the market showing me at 9:30. Look at that. Right at 9:30. What does this market do? It takes out the low of the day, right? That little dotted line denotes the start of Friday. All day we've just been going down. Okay, here's a bit of manipulation inside of the London and New York gap time. Okay, we move up. Where are we moving up to, right? I've been talking about this with you for weeks now, right? Up into a premium PD array. That fair value gap on the way up is going to be premium, right? That's going to be resistance because we are moving up into a bearish signature, which is a bearish fair value gap. So the market has moved up not only into that bearish fair value gap, but also these up candles, which is the bearish order block. Okay, so the market's moving up into a premium PD array, and we should expect the market then to come back down to some kind of discount PD array. Where has the market come down to? Right, have a look at the chart. It's already there. A discount PD array to that fair value gap. Look at the body candles respecting that bullish fair value gap that was formed on this move up. So when we're coming down and we have a bullish fair value gap on the way down, and that's going to be our support because that is a discount PDRA where we should expect a bounce up from, okay? These wicks are just doing the damage, right? That wick there, right at 9:30 is the absolute key. What's it doing? It's taking out sell side stops, okay? Right at the low of the day. Now, when we jump down to a lower time frame, okay, then you'll see additional bullish fair value gaps form at the right time. It's all about time, folks. That there is 9:30. And what's 9:30 doing? It's taking out the low of the day. Look at the body candles respecting that discount PD array, okay, right? That's important. You want to see that because that's indicating an algorithmic signature telling us that we're about to move up. Now, when we jump down to a lower time frame on a 1 minute chart, that's your homework, right? You go and do that. You'll see the market's moved up and left bullish fair value gaps, okay? Now, you can see on the video that's playing on the left, right? You can see that 1 minute chart where I've entered on that fair value gap formed at 9:30, okay, and has left a fair value gap there, right, at 9:30 as the market's come down and started to move up, right? That's the entire premise of the trade now. You've got two levels of liquidity pools that are now going to be the target on the way up from that 9:30, right, after taking out the low of the day, okay, after coming down into a discount PD rate, which is that little fair value gap there on the left-hand side, right? Got to let the market tell you what it's doing. Listen to what the market's saying, right? It's giving you these signals, these footprints that have been left by the algorithm, right? So when we're down here, okay, and we've at the right time, 9:30, we can see the market's reacting. It's moving up in that 1 minute time frame. We can see bullish fair value gaps are being formed that we can use to enter a bullish long entry. Okay. From there, our immediate target is going to be this liquidity pool, which is the high of London, which is the high of the previous session, right? When we're trading up here, right there. That's the high, and that's exactly what the market's done. Now you'll see that on my trade, I waited for high of Asia, right? I had a target just at that level, which got hit, and that's why I closed out that trade. Okay. So to me, that is a textbook setup. At the right time, at the right price point, targeting a session high, which is the London session high or the Asia session high, after the market has shown its hand by coming down, taking out the low that averages liquidity, right, and coming into this discount PDRA, right, the bullish fair value gap, which is now holding a support with the body candles. We can see that that move down is being respected, right? That bullish fair value gap, which is that discount PDRA, as we're coming down into it, is being respected at the right time after taking liquidity, and we're getting the reaction on that 1 minute chart. We can see bullish ICT signatures being formed. Okay, that simple setup in that time, in that single session, the New York session, allowed me to generate over $9,400 in profit. Okay, you're only one click away from learning how to do this and watching me make this kind of money every single day, along with like-minded people in the VIP community. Okay, so I invite you to join my VIP community while you still can. Okay, I'm going to be closing enrollments very soon. So join while you can and learn this stuff, folks. Okay? I guarantee you that it will click and you will learn exactly how I do this because I show it to you every single day. Hope the video is useful. I will now talk with you in a future video.